In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Coming Soon in Goddaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to preview Coming Soon website templates so you can get a clean placeholder page ready while your full site is in the works. First, open your web browser and head to the GoDaddy homepage. Just type the website address into the address bar and press enter. If you land on a country-specific version, that's perfectly fine. The layout is largely the same. You don't need to sign in to follow along for browsing templates, so you can continue even if you don't have an account yet. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to let any banners or pop-ups clear so you can see the main content. We're going to rely on GoDaddy's own navigation here rather than searching, which keeps the process consistent even if the interface updates slightly over time. Now, scroll down the homepage until you see a section labeled Templates Designed to Sell. This is where GoDaddy highlights its website template library. If you don't spot it immediately, keep scrolling. It typically appears below the main hero area and promotional sections. Inside that section, look for the button or link that says Browse All Templates and click it. This opens the full templates library where designs are organized by categories and use cases. Give the page a moment to load so all filters and thumbnails render properly. On the templates page, find and click the Coming Soon category. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a filter on the left, a tab across the top, or a category tile within the grid. The label should read Coming Soon. Selecting it filters the gallery down to designs intended for temporary landing pages, announcements, or under construction notices. You should now be looking at a curated set of Coming Soon templates. Take a moment to scan the options. Pay attention to layout simplicity, typography, and space for key details like a brief message, a target launch date, or an email capture form if that's something you plan to add later. Many templates are mobile friendly by default, but it's still helpful to consider how your message will look on smaller screens. When a design catches your eye, click Preview Site. The preview opens an interactive demo so you can see how the template behaves in real time, including scrolling, buttons, and responsive adjustments. Use this view to imagine your own content in place, your logo, a short message, and any essential links. When you're done, simply close the preview to return to the list and continue exploring. That's all there is to it. You've located the Coming Soon category, explored the available templates, and learned how to preview them confidently. Thanks for watching and happy building.